Well, after Charanjit Singh Channi, Punjab Congress's president has questioned Pulwama attack. He has said that there is still a big mystery and story. He further added, and I'm going to quote him here, that I'm not talking about Poonch attack, but BJP can do anything during the election. So remember, days after former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi's controversial stuntbazi remark on terrorist attack on an Indian Air Force convoy in Jammu and Kashmir, Poonch, Punjab Congress President Amrinder Singh Raja Waring made a similar statement yesterday. Listen into what he has to say over this story.
पुलवामा ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਮਿਸਟਰੀ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਹੈ। ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਗਵਰਨਰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨਾ ਪੁਲਵਾਮਾ ਦੀ। ਸੋ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਮਾਮਲੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਨਿਕਲ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ, ਮੈਂ ਪੁੰਛ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਬੀਜੇਪੀ चुनाव के दरमियान कुछ भी कर सकती है।
फिर से एक बार स्पष्ट होता जा रहा है कि कांग्रेस का हाथ पाकिस्तानी जिहादियों और आतंकवादियों के साथ। जैसे ही वोट जिहाद की बात हुई, पाकिस्तान से समर्थन आया, तो पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट देने की जो प्रक्रिया है वो लगातार ऐसी चल रही है कि कभी विजय वड़त्तीवार जो अजमल कसाब को क्लीन चिट देते 26/11 में, शशि थरूर जो उनकी बातों को समर्थन देते हैं, जिस प्रकार से पूंछ हमले पर चरणजीत चन्नी ने, तेज प्रताप ने जिस प्रकार से पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट दे दिया, अब कांग्रेस पार्टी के पंजाब के अध्यक्ष ये भी पुलवामा पर पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट देते नजर आ रहे हैं, केवल इसलिए क्योंकि उनको भाजपा से नफरत है। कहते हैं कि पुलवामा में किसने क्या किया, ये बहुत बड़ी मिस्ट्री है।
So you heard multiple reactions coming in over the same story. Just a quick backgrounder about what exactly transpired there over the unfortunate incident from Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch, days after former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi's controversial stuntbazi remark on the terrorist attack on IF convoy in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch, Punjab. Congress President Amrinder Singh Raja Waring made a similar kind of a statement yesterday, saying that BJP can do anything during the elections. We have CNN News 18 senior editor Pallavi Ghosh also joining us live on the broadcast. Pallavi, a very good morning to you. This looks like a big trouble for Congress because their party members are continuously making such remarks, that too at this very crucial juncture of election and polling going on.
Yeah, and Punjab, for example, has really been hit by terrorism. So in Punjab, this is always also a very emotive issue. But if you look at the larger national picture, you have a sitting candidate and a former CM, Charanjit Singh Channi, making that comment. Raja Waring Bar, he's of course the state Congress chief, again considered to be someone very close to Rahul Gandhi. And no matter who from the Congress party makes these kind of comments, it only keeps on helping the BJP. One would have thought that there would have been a closure on the issue of Pulwama and the Balakot airstrikes, but clearly there has not been. Questioning the Balakot airstrikes, now Channi's comments earlier, Shashi Tharoor comment, all of that is only helping the case of the BJP, who cannot be faulted really, Sakshi, for now attacking the Congress party or speaking the language of, say, a Pakistan or supportive of Pakistan. And also the fact is that, should you after so many years still start questioning what the Balakot airstrike was all about? Because here you're also questioning the morale of the armed forces.
Right, Pallavi. Thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial updates coming in straight from Punjab. We'll keep coming back to you for more political developments within that same story. Right now, shifting focus to another piece of breaking news now coming in.